Welcome to the Forklift Theory Quiz. I will read each question along with three options, A, B, and C. Take a moment to choose your answer, and then I will reveal the correct one. Let's get started. Question 1. You have passed the required eye test. Are you now eligible to operate a forklift? Option A, no. Option B, yes. Option C, more training is required. The correct answer is A, no. Question 2. After passing this theory test for forklift, what other tests are you required to pass? Option A, multiple choice test. Option B, practical test. Option C, road test. The correct answer is B, practical test. Question 3. In order to apply for a forklift license, you must be Option A, under 20 years old. Option B, above 19 years old. Option C, over 20 years old. The correct answer is C, over 20 years old. Question 4. If applying for a forklift license, you will be tested in Option A, a forklift with empty weight of more than 7.5 tons. Option B, a forklift with empty weight of less than 7.5 tons. Option C, a forklift with loaded weight of less than 7.5 tons. The correct answer is B, a forklift with empty weight of less than 7.5 tons. Question 5. Set of requirements that must be fulfilled to be eligible for a forklift license. Option A, forklift operation training, theoretical test, forklift operation test. Option B, forklift theoretical test, forklift operation test. Option C, forklift training, forklift operation test. The correct answer is A, forklift operation training, theoretical test, forklift operation test. Question 6. When training to operate a forklift, you must be accompanied by Option A, an adult and licensed operator. Option B, a licensed forklift instructor. Option C, a licensed forklift assessor. The correct answer is B, a licensed forklift instructor. Question 7. A forklift is a vehicle similar to a small truck that has Option A, two metal forks on the front used to lift cargo. Option B, a metal bucket on the front used to lift cargo. Option C, two metal forks at the back used to lift cargo. The correct answer is A, two metal forks on the front used to lift cargo. Question 8. The metal forks of a forklift are also called Option A, dredgers. Option B, blades or tines. Option C, stackers. The correct answer is B, blades or tines.
Question 9. Forklifts are used to
Option A, move heavy goods vehicles. Option B, transport people between areas. Option C, transport loads between areas. The correct answer is C, transport loads between areas. Question 10. Forklifts are used to Option A, stack heavy objects. Option B, create very high stacks of objects. Option C, demolish heavy objects. The correct answer is A, stack heavy objects. Question 11. Forklifts are used to Option A, move large volume of soil. Option B, load and unload vehicles. Option C, dredging and digging. The correct answer is B, load and unload vehicles. Question 12. Forklifts with internal combustion motors must Option A, not be operated in a confined space. The correct answer is A, not be operated in a confined space. Question 13.
Option A. People working in the confined space may not see well due to smoke. Option B. People working in the confined space may be overcome by fumes. Option C. Mobility in such space is limited.
The correct answer is B. People working in the confined space may be.
Question 14. If operating inside a warehouse, what type of forklift is most suitable to use? Option A. Gas-powered forklift. Option B. Internal combustion forklift. Option C. Electric forklift. The correct answer is option C. Electric forklift. Question 15. There are two main types of motors used in forklifts: the internal combustion and Option A. Battery-powered electric motors. Option B. Solar-powered motors. Option C. Hydraulic-powered motors. The correct answer is option A. Battery-powered electric motors. Question 16. Be safe when operating a battery-powered forklift. Batteries contain Option A. Distilled water. Option B. Sulfuric acid. Option C. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. The correct answer is option B. Sulfuric acid. Question 17. If you are handling batteries, wear protection for your Option A. Eyes, face, body, hand and feet. Option B. Clothes, shoes and gloves. Option C. Eyeglasses, face mask and boots. The correct answer is option A. Eyes, face, body, hand, and feet. Question 18. When recharging lead batteries, ensure there is no naked flame or sparks to Option A. Avoid buildup of hydrogen. Option B. Avoid possible explosion. Option C. Avoid exposure to flame. The correct answer is option B. Avoid possible explosion. Question 19. Hydrogen level can build up when recharging lead batteries. This can be avoided by Option A. Avoiding recharging during working hours. Option B. Recharging at areas with good enclosure. Option C. Recharging at areas with good ventilation. The correct answer is option C. Recharging at areas with good ventilation. Question 20. How can you avoid sparks when disconnecting batteries of the forklift? Option A. Use the isolation switch to ensure that the forklift circuit is open. Option B. Use the ignition switch to turn off the engine. Option C. Use the handbrakes to ensure the forklift is not moving. The correct answer is option A. Use the isolation switch to ensure that the forklift circuit is open. Question 21. When disconnecting battery, these must not come into contact with terminals to avoid creating spark. Option A. Hand gloves and jackets. Option B. Metal tools or fittings. Option C. Plastic or rubber tubes. The correct answer is option B. Metal tools or fittings. Question 22. Which type of forklifts have the highest lifting capacity? Option A. Rough terrain forklifts. Option B. Pedestrian-operated forklifts. Option C. Ride-on forklifts. The correct answer is option A, rough terrain forklifts. Question 23. A key component of the forklift that prevents the load from falling to the operator. Option A, warning light. Option B, load backrest. Option C, mast. The correct answer is option B, load backrest. Question 24. This pedal, located on the left side of the steering column, also works as a clutch. It is known as option A, brake pedal. Option B, inching brake pedal. Option C, clutch pedal. The correct answer is option B, inching brake pedal. Question 25. This lever is used to make directional change. It is called option A, forward reverse lever. Option B, gear shift lever. Option C, lift lever. The correct answer is option A, forward reverse lever. Question 26. This permits the selection of different gear ratios. Option A, gear shift lever. Option B, tilt lever. Option C, lift lever. The correct answer is option A, gear shift lever. Question 27. This is used to tilt the mast forward and backward. Option A, accelerator pedal. Option B, lift lever. Option C, tilt lever. The correct answer is option C, tilt lever. Question 28. It is important not to overuse the inching brake pedal because it may. Option A, affect the balance of the forklift. Option B, cause the automatic transmission oil to overheat. Option C, cause the brake fluid to expand. The correct answer is option B, cause the automatic transmission oil to overheat. Question 29. If you are operating an indoor forklift, this forklift will likely use option A, polyurethane tires. Option B, solid rubber tires. Option C, pneumatic tires. The correct answer is option A, polyurethane tires. Question 30. For greater maneuverability, forklifts will usually have option A, front wheel steering. Option B, rear wheel steering. Option C, all-wheel steering. The correct answer is option B, rear wheel steering. Question 31. If operating a powered steering forklift, never switch off the engine while moving, as this can result to option A, total loss of steering. Option B, total loss of brakes. Option C, breakage in the steering mechanism. The correct answer is option A, total loss of steering. Question 32. When moving forward and steering, the rear end swing will be 3 times faster than the forward speed of the forklift. This creates option A, forward and reverse movement. Option B, sideways movement and dangers to pedestrians. Option C, sudden changes in directions. The correct answer is option B, sideways movement and dangers to pedestrians. Question 33. A forklift attachment that can be used to position heavy loads similar to cranes. Option A, jibs. Option B, clamps. Option C, spikes. The correct answer is option A, jibs. Question 34. A forklift attachment that is used for lifting and emptying heavy drums. Option A, long spikes. Option B, drum clamps. Option C, fixed jib. The correct answer is option B, drum clamps. Question 35. How do you ensure your forklift is able to safely carry the loads you will be working on? Option A. Check the capacity of the protective cage. Option B. Check the load capacity of the tires. Option C. Check the safe working load. SWL. The correct answer is option C. Check the safe working load. SWL. Question 36. Find out the load capacity and operating limits of your forklift by checking the Option A. Forklift lifting mechanism. Option B. Manufacturer's data plate. Option C. Forklift number plate. The correct answer is option B, manufacturer's data plate. Question 37. When lifting heavy loads, it is important to move the center of gravity. Option A, away from the machine. Option B, closer to the machine. Option C, higher from the ground. The correct answer is option B, closer to the machine. Question 38. This attachment has fully adjustable reach with 1000 kgs safe working load. SWL. At 1100 mm. Option A, jibs. Option B, forklift economy jib. Option C, forklift extension jib. The correct answer is option C, forklift extension jib. Question 39. For reasons of safety, heavier loads must be Option A, moved quickly. Option B, moved slowly. Option C, moved first. The correct answer is option B, moved slowly. Question 40. At your workplace, there are other traffic crossing your path. What adjustments should be made? Option A. Brighter warning lights for all to see easily. Option B. Load to lighten the forklift. Option C. Speed to enable stopping safely if needed. The correct answer is option C, speed to enable stopping safely if needed. Question 41. Similar to public roads, forklift operators must also comply with this at workplaces. Option A, speed restriction signs. Option B, hard hat area signs. Option C, reflective vest signs. The correct answer is option A, speed restriction signs. Question 42. Refueling your forklift must be carried out in well-ventilated areas because Option A. Fuel stations are very far. Option B. Fumes from petrol and LPG are very explosive. Option C. Fire extinguishers may not be available. The correct answer is option B, fumes from petrol and LPG are very explosive. Question 43. When refueling, the fuel may be ignited. What safety precaution must be taken to prevent this? Option A. The engine must not be running. Option B. The engine must be on idle only. Option C. The engine must not be raced. The correct answer is option A. The engine must not be running. Question 44. You notice that there is a fuel leak in the forklift you are using. What is the very first thing you should do? Option A. Immediately stop the machine. Option B. Report to your supervisor. Option C. Tag the area around the leak. The correct answer is option B. Report to your supervisor. Question 45. Due to heavy workload, your supervisor wants you to continue using the forklift that has fuel leak. What is the safest thing to do here? Option A. Fix the fuel leak first, then resume work. Option B. Fix the fuel leak after work is completed. Option C. Complete the work as carefully as possible. The correct answer is option A. Fix the fuel leak first, then resume work. Question 46. When stopping, starting, lifting and tilting, the operator needs to: Option A. Operate the equipment the quick way. Option B. Operate the equipment smoothly. Option C. Operate the equipment the most efficient way. The correct answer is option B. Operate the equipment smoothly. Question 47. As part of safe working practice, the operator needs to know this with or without load. Option A. The weight of the load. Option B. The engine capacity. Option C. The blind spots. The correct answer is option C. The blind spots. Question 48. At the start of each work shift, it is important to do this to the forklift. Option A. Visual and operational checks. Option B. Load assessments. Option C. Torque assessment. The correct answer is option A. Visual and operational checks. Question 49. When operating a forklift, the operator must know that the: Option A. Recommended limits of the forklift does not affect the safety. Option B. Recommended limits of the forklift must not be exceeded. Option C. Recommended limits of the forklift can be exceed a little. The correct answer is option B. Recommended limits of the forklift must not be exceeded. Question 50. At the start of your shift, you know that you will be raising loads. What should you check for to be safe? Option A. An added lifting capacity. Option B. An adequate floor space. Option C. An adequate overhead clearance. The correct answer is option C. An adequate overhead clearance.